Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Tesla bumper. First, let's assess the damage. Take a close look at your Tesla's bumper to identify any scratches, dents, or cracks. It's crucial to distinguish between minor cosmetic issues and more significant structural damage. A small scuff might be an easy fix, but a deep crack could indicate a need for professional attention. Understanding the extent of the damage is the first and most important step in determining the best repair approach. For minor scratches, you can often achieve great results yourself. Start by thoroughly cleaning the affected area. Then, apply a small amount of fine grit polishing compound to a microfiber cloth and gently buff the scratch until it diminishes. For very small dents, if you can access the back of the bumper, a gentle push might pop it back into place. Always ensure the surface is completely dry before applying any touch-up paint for deeper marks. While some minor issues are DIY-friendly, significant damage often calls for professional help. If your Tesla's bumper has large cracks, tears, or major deformation, a certified body shop is the only way to ensure a proper and safe repair. They possess specialized tools for plastic welding and precise paint matching, which are essential for restoring the bumper's structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. Attempting complex repairs yourself could lead to further damage or an unsatisfactory finish. Preventing damage is always better than repairing it. Make full use of your Tesla's advanced parking sensors and cameras to avoid accidental bumps. Always maintain a safe following distance on the road, especially in heavy traffic. When parking, choose spacious spots whenever possible and be mindful of curbs and other obstacles. For an extra layer of protection, consider applying a paint protection film to your bumper, which can significantly reduce the impact of minor scuffs and scratches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.